Good morning guys, happy weekend. So it's Sunday, November 19. We'll do another ride. It's Carless Sunday sa Ayala. We'll check it out. We'll meet some friends. Let's go! Ito na yung first rider natin. We'll meet Frank sa Shell DSA. Let's go! So bihira itong ganitong eksena na Doña Soledad, napakaluwag. So Sunday mo lang makikita yan. Mas Moj! Right, so a few meters away kay Frank. Guys, dito na si Frank. Tingnan lang, diba? Nice!
Wala pang 1 minute.
Alright guys, so tawid tayo ng West Service Road. Medyo busy lang to pero mukhang okay. Guys, nasa West Service Road tayo, approaching Nichols, Frank and Patrick. So good weather, hopefully hindi pa mainit. Let's go! Pasok na mga extension. Ating office building namin to, fully red na painted na. Hindi na mukhang bodega. Ay tayo sa EDSA. EDSA! Hey guys, first time natin sa dumaan sa EDSA. So Sunday kaya medyo maluwag. Mukhang okay naman. I can imagine dito pag regular day mausok. SM Makati. Juan Ayala. So alaman natin kung talagang carb-free Sunday today. Happy na tayo sa Ayala Avenue. Let's see. Yeah, so guys, sarado sa true carb-free Sunday. Chill lang tayo, Mode. Hi. So dahil yung mga nagpapanggap dito. Nagpapayad.
After one down at a time.
You make friends all along the way to break bread on another day. Always there to give you advice. Help you find the wrong from the right. Even when you're not in their sight, you'll be alright. Just look at the big wide world we're living in.
Nagkuha naman ako skit ng like
Just keep running until
off to BGC. Let's go.
Yeah, you'll be amazed at how far we can go.
Sa Pakindi na tayo. Sarap. Asphalt. And wala pa masyadong cars. Frank, Smooch nasa likod. Semora. Sarendra. Guys, so nasa BGC pa rin tayo. Uptown Mall. Loop lang and then hanap tayo ng breakfast spot. Let's go!
Look at the big world we're living in.
Brother, kung ano na siya. Hi! Dito. Sanay na siya? Oo. Sunday Friday siya. Terno pala ba kayo, boss? Ingat po. Burgos Circle. I'm for breakfast.
Pagi.
Breakfast time. Bowling in. Dada pengen kaming hot sauce ha. Enjoy. Tanong na yun. Yun no? Select ko na. Yan. Parang hindi breakfast material itong kinain namin. Nalo talaga spaghetti dito. Sarap. Taob. Done with the breakfast. So, balik na po. Facebook, naka-50 tayo. Sa BGC, papuntang McKinley, Gate 3. Gate 3, Nichols, papuntang East Service Road, Kabikutan. Si Frank, Soj. Belohan mo. Next time. Eh, pasya na mga picture nyo. SM Bigutan. Solidad Avenue. Couple of kilometers away sa bahay. Right, mag-i-split up ng this coach. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you again next time. Alright. Tayo mga kilometer away pa.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.
Almost home guys. So, few meters away. We did roughly almost 40 kilometers then. So, not bad. Oh good. Medyo mainit na. Thank you for watching.